adding and subtracting of polynomials. Essentially what that means when we combining like terms. Let's start with the first example. It says simplify 5x squared plus 8x minus 3. Then we'll add the polynomial 2x squared minus 7x plus 3x. So first, let's highlight our like terms. So we're going to highlight our x squared terms, and we'll just do that in a nice pink. We're going to highlight all our x terms in green. There's several. And then our constants in blue, and then what we're going to do is we'll circle the operations. We're adding them. So 5x squared plus 2x squared will give me 7x squared. Then in our right polynomial, we have negative 7x plus 13x. So technically this new polynomial will be 2x squared plus 13 minus 7, or negative 7 plus 13 will give me 6x. So now we're adding 8x and 6x. We highlight that in green. 8x plus 6x is going to be 14x. And then the negative 3 is by itself, so just minus 3, and we are done. Example 2, simplify 16x plus 14 minus 3x squared plus x minus 9. So we'll highlight our x squared terms. We'll highlight those in pink. We'll highlight our x terms in blue, or sorry, green. And we'll do our constants. We'll do that in that blue. And we'll circle our operation. So this time we're subtracting. So 3x squared by itself is on the right, and there's a minus in the middle. So we'll change that to a negative 3x squared. We have 16x minus x. There's an imaginary 1 in front of x. So 16x minus x would be just 16 minus 1, which is 15x. And then 14 minus negative 9. Keep in mind the rules of subtraction. So 14 minus negative 9 will be change. So it'll be 14 plus 9. That's going to give me plus 23. And we are done. Example 3, it says subtract negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 from 6x squared plus 3x minus 9. This was a little bit confusing, so let's write this one out. So we're subtracting the first polynomial from the second one. So let's write it vertically. So we have 6x squared plus 3x minus 9. And we're subtracting negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. So we're subtracting these two. Take note how I align them vertically. So 6x squared minus negative 2x will be 6 plus 2, so it'll be 8x squared. Keep in mind the rules of integers. So yeah, 6x squared minus negative 2x squared. Keep change. So the same thing as adding. 3 minus 4 would be negative x or negative 1x. And then we have negative 9 minus negative 1. That'd be like 9 plus 1. Negative 9 plus 1, so that'd be minus 8. Let's do that on the side so you can see how I got that. Negative 9 minus negative 1. Keep change. And negative 9 plus 1 will give me negative 8. And here is our final answer. In the next several examples, we're going to write a polynomial that represents the area of the following figures. So we in the top one, in A we have a yellow square, which is an x by x squared. So this will be x squared. Then we have a pink rectangle, and there's two of them. The width is x, the length is y, so that's going to be plus 2xy. And then we have the blue square, which is y by y, so plus y squared, so it'll be x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, and we are done. The bottom in B, we have an a by a square, which is the yellow one, and a rectangle, which is the length is 2a, and so this would be 2a, and the width would be b. So our expression would be 2a squared plus, since there's two yellow squares, and then for the orange one, it'd be 2ab, and we are done. For C, we have the big green square, which is a y by y, and then we're trying to find the area, the green area. So the white area is x by x, so that's x squared, and we're taking that out. So it's going to be just y squared minus x squared, and we are done. And the last one, we have the top square, which is the pink, which is going to be a by a, it's going to be a squared. Then the middle row, which is going to be, there's 2a squared. And then the bottom row, it's just 3 a's across by a, so it's going to be 3a squared. So we have just combine your like terms. So that's going to be 3 plus 2 plus 1. That's going to give me 6a squared, and we are done.